Hello friends, welcome to the Eco Club. So I hope you all will be fine. As you all know that Christmas festival is all around. Okay, so now we all should have to do some preparation for the Christmas. So how we can do some decoration. So today our activity is based on preparing some decorating items. Right, so as you know, lots of things are present in our around us. Okay, like some waste papers are there, some waste sheets are there. Can we use them in a recreative way? Yes, we can use them to make some beautiful creations from them, to decorate our boards, to decorate our walls, to make some wall hangings, to make some flower decorations. Okay, just make a snowman today first of all. So for this I have taken a sheet, that is the waste sheet. Like one side is used, another side is plain. Okay, so I can use this to make a snowman. So simply what I will do, first I will fold this sheet. Okay, like in this way I will fold it. Second, from this side I will again fold it like this. Okay, one more fold I will make for it like this. Okay, so now I will make some design here for the snowman. So how will you make? Like this, you can see here. Okay, so like this is the hand, this may be the body, and this may be the stomach part, right? One more thing that we will make here, like this might be the snow here. Okay, so now if I have to prepare some charts, some borders, so what I will do, I will apply glue on these. Okay, and as you have seen that I have taken this black strip also, so I will paste these snowmans on this black strip. Okay, you can see that a very beautiful pattern of these snowmans is created. Okay, you can also make some eyes if you want, eyes and nose you can also make here like this. Okay, like this you can make some eyes, nose. Okay, this will look little nice, right? In case you want to do cutting pasting, you can also do. This will also look nice. Now I will just show you how to make a Christmas tree with the help of papers. Like I have made some trees here. You can also prepare at your home. So how to make? So let us see. What I will do, I will take the waste sheet. Like this is the sheet lying at me, the cut sheet. Okay, so I will take one of the sheet. So I have to take a perfect square here. So I will fold like this. Okay, so now this is the extra part that I will cut. Okay, extra part I will keep aside. Now this one I will make a fold like again this. Okay, you can see it is a perfect. So I will turn it like this. One more turn I will open it, and one more turn I will make like this. Okay, so now you all can see this is the shape that I have made. Now after this what I will do, just let me do by like this, because it was in the another shape. Right children, so now we have made many turns into it. So what I will do, like this I will fold it. Okay, so these are 1, 2, 3 fold, right? So these are the 4 folds. So again what we will do, we have to try to make many more folds. So I will keep it like this. So this is the upper one fold. Let me do like this. Then with the help of next fold, I will allow it to settle like this. Okay, perfectly like this. So many folds we have made here, right? So this is our extra paper. We need not it, so we will cut it. Okay, so this is cut now. So next step is making cut to this side, that is the folded side. This is the jointed side, that we will not cut it. Okay, so in this side I will make some cut to it. So the lower one should be deeper cut, base one, then let's smaller cuts like this. like this. Okay, so now after this, now what to do, like these are the cuts we made, so we have to just fold them to the inner side. Taking one line, we will fold them to the inner side like this. Okay, so this is the one fold that we have made. Now taking the second line, we will fold it like this. Okay, so this is the second. In this way we will fold all the sides. So you can see, children, like I folded all the sides here like this. So in this way our perfect snow tree is made. Okay, so in this way you all can make the trees at your home for the Christmas. I made lots of trees here. You all can check. You can make some beautiful trees with the help of different colors. These will look nice, right? So in this way you all can do some decoration for your Christmas. Okay, make one more decorating item, that is the flower wreath. Okay, how to make? So we will take a square shaped sheet here. Okay, so what I will do, I'll fold it like this. Okay, now this open side should be folded little like this, right? So I have folded it like this. It should remain here. What I will do, I will just make it shorter by folding it, because I have to cut this one side, that is the jointed part. I will cut it. This open part I will not cut, I will leave it, right? So I just folded it many times because this is a very thin sheet. I can easily cut it, right? So up to here where I have folded, I will use the cut, deep cut from this side, right? So let us start the cutting work again. I am taking scissor like this. I will make some deep cut up to this line. All right, so now can you all see, like whole of the part has cut. Okay, I will unfold it now, taking the brighter color outside. Right, so turning it, and these four should be kept down, and we are turning it like this, right? So we will use another strip, and with the help of glue we will join this side. Okay, so now I have taken this very thin strip. On it I will apply some glue. Right, so what I will do, I will paste this side on it to make it little harder, so that I can paste the another side also. We can fold it properly. The extra side we will cut from here. Extra side is cut. Now this side we have to join it with this side also. So I will turn it like this. I will apply glue on this side now. Okay, because we have to turn it down. On it, and I will join it by turning this side little down, and you will join it carefully so that this white strip that we have used, it will remain hidden. Okay, so now you all can see this flower wreath has made. Okay, by using a longer strip I joined it here. Okay, you can use it for hanging purpose, like this you can hang it. One more thing that you can do, you can use some decorating stars on it, like this. One more is made for you. Okay, so you can see like this one you can use some circles. By cutting these you can paste there, some stars you can paste here, and you can make these decorations for at your home, for decorating the room, the house as well. Thank you.